This episode is brought to you by TwoLinedMusicCutStore.com. TwoLinedMusicCutStore.com is your all-access to culture. Check out cultural merchandise like leggings, hats, mini boxing gloves, and bags. Also t-shirts like hip-hop, nature, rock bands, reggae, and dark fantasy. Fast shipping worldwide. That's TwoLinedMusicCutStore.com. Now let's check out this episode. Because I know one other person you collaborated with too was Bounty Killer. How did that come around?
Bounty Killer, our godfather, you know. Mm-hmm. With me and Bounty Killer from sound system days.
Okay.
From I play sound system.
Mm-hmm.
I always go check Bounty Killer for dub and only things. Bounty Killer was done.
Mm-hmm.
So when in our music, with Bounty Killer now, I'm always interested for help a youth.
Mm-hmm.
Him can't help every youth, so not everybody gonna say the same thing when me I say.
Mm-hmm.
But him always interested for help a youth when him can, or when him in the position too. So Bounty Killer and we have an understanding. Studio, phone, party. Him know we are part of the cheerleader. Him know. It's not a thing when nobody have to tell him. So when we write the song, me and Laxity again write that song, and Nicky B.
Yes.
So Nicky B put the hook on the song, and me and Agent write the verse. I would decide to ask Bounty Killer to do one on the verse.
Mm-hmm.
And then never turn it down. You know what I mean? Him say, kids, bring it, let me sing it. So we'll check Killer. It wasn't a mountain for client. It was more like a respect what we have for the general, and in the show back about some respect. Mm-hmm. Do a song with New Kids. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Big. Another one you have here that actually brought you to the UK now is with a song you have with Maxi Priest called Super Wonder Woman. How did you guys come up with that song there? How do you even connect with a Maxi Priest of all people?
All right. Maxi Priest now. After the whole budget thing, I'm there home.
Mm-hmm.
As I said, my best friend in the music is Agent Lock City. So me and Agent Lock City always I make music. Chuck back. So I always there chuck back. This is how I do the song with me and Lady Saw Eve.
Mm-hmm.
Because I was a chuck back. A chuck back is like I reside at chuck back. Yeah. My place I do the music. So Maxi Priest need an artist on the road with him. That is when I get a phone call from Kirk Bennett, Kirk Drummer, and the phone call from Kirk to Steve Chuckback, and from Steve Chuckback to New Kids.
Mm-hmm.
Then them decide say we go send two music from me to Maxi Priest. Just to make him hear the voice and the attitude and the vibe, you know? And then when them send it to Maxi Priest, I say, yo, this is the right vibe, brother. Mm-hmm. This is the voice we are looking for, and the right vibe. Anyway, there was a couple of shows coming up with Maxi Priest. So them buy me a ticket and I fly and go do 2 shows with Maxi Priest. And from the first 2 shows, the rest is history. We are together for about 4 years now doing music.
That's how long it's been?
Yeah. So, Super Wonder Woman was a song where never really involved Maxi. It was a song with me and Agent again. Mm-hmm. And Nicky B was a part of this song because I think of him, what Nicky B did, I think of him help build the rhythm, you know. I think him help give it the jump pattern or something like that. So when him give the jump pattern, we send it back and say, you can't send empty jump to it. Send a hook. Mm-hmm. You understand? Because we are Nicky B, a family, I'm a friend, we love Nicky B. So Nicky B send a hook on the beat. So right away we start vibes it. From the get-go, I know in a the thing I think not said so. Enough man a try to win a heart, but them no get you. Them design a thing no get you with me. I you to get that baby, nothing no stress you. I mean alone you feel for. Fi put her in a love fever. Can't wait for the day me and now walking down the aisle to the preacher. In my life, for you come first. Baby, you are my comfort. She love me for who I am, and I for her to Donald Trump hurt. Maxi, she don't care how much I make, long as my love remains the same. Yeah, yeah, yeah. She just love being my girl. So we're at all of the song of it. So we decide because the link there with Maxi Priest now and start to with Maxi now and thing, I'm sorry, yo, now. I ask Maxi if he sing this for you know.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? He's a man where he's not just singing, so I'm not gonna sing for anything. We already know that, so I could gear up for that too. Anyway, we're gonna strip the music and send the voice, go give him everything. All we are begging my voice enough to do nothing. Just sing. So when I send go give Maxi Priest, fall in love with it. I said, this is a bang. I record it for you and send it back. And from there, so super Wonder Woman. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I didn't realize that it's been that long that you guys been connecting and been on the road doing shows and all of those stuff there.
Yeah, man, way before the COVID, man.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Didn't realize that. Even one place you brought back up was Truck Back Records, because I know right now that's where you're doing a lot of your work from right now. How did you even connect with Truck Back in the first place? Because I guess this was after the whole Gargamel situation. This is your new home right now, Truck Back.
No, Truck Back was even before Gargamel too, you know. Truck Back was from Q45, you know. My first road manager is Steve Lock brother, Andrew, which is Truck Back.
Got you.
And then Adrian Lock City, Steve brother, Truck Back. It's three brothers that them, you know. We do the music, you know. It's three brothers. That you know what I mean? Andrew, Steve, and Adrian. More brothers, but I'm talking three musical brothers where do the music. So I know Andrew first. Then I know Steve, because Steve, I play bass for Bounty Killer and Titi Must them long time, and we watch Steve and we know Steve, and you know what I mean? We get to know Andrew, and then we get to know Adrian, because Adrian, we get to know Adrian a long time, because as a little smart kid, he was one of the youth where Q45 called for being at the office for when we are go to America and them thing, then we will be one of the man for help follow the farm, them, put the visa them together. So Adrian and the whole Truck Back thing is from day one, really. You know, it is from an early part of the career.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.